The Cattleman Edition package is available at a dealership called Long McArthur Ford as an option for $5,995 and can be installed on a Ford F-150. The dealership spec'd 3 red, white, and blue that are for sale currently at the dealership. 3 in stock are XL trims with the regular cab, 8-foot bed, 3.73 gear ratio, and a 5.0 liter V8 engine. Features that should please working customers including vinyl 40-20-40 seats, vinyl floor, manual windows and locks, AM/FM radio, and a Class 4 receiver hitch. The rear view camera is standard. The Cattleman Edition package adds a Ranchhand grille guard, 2-inch front suspension lift, and black low-gloss XD 18-inch wheels wrapped in fuel gripper all-terrain tires. The package includes a spray bed liner also, for additional protection. 2 bedside Cattleman decals complete the look. The package doesn't add a lot, and that was the whole point of this truck. It's a collection of parts the dealership most often installed for those looking for a functional work truck capable of getting dirty on the fields and doing the things trucks are designed to do.